Imagine breaking warm bread and inside melted cheese and a perfectly runny egg. Today, I'll show you how to make real Adjaruli Khachapuri at home. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Here I share delicious recipes, simple and not too simple. Today we are cooking one of the most iconic dishes of Georgian cuisine, Adjaruli Khachapuri. You don't need special equipment or professional skills, just a few ingredients, a little patience, and your kitchen will smell like a traditional bakery. And don't forget to subscribe. New recipes comes out twice a week, and each one is made to inspire you to cook with pleasure. Add butter to a glass of milk. Microwave for 1.5 minutes. Add sugar, salt and yeast. Mix everything. Leave for 10 minutes until foam forms. Take 400 grams of flour and add the liquid ingredients. Form a soft dough. Cover with cling film and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. When the dough has risen, divide it into 2 parts. And let it rest for another 10 minutes. Take one bowl, roll it out in flour. Add mozzarella cheese. Twist and seal the edges. Flip over and place on parchment paper. Cut down the middle and open. Brush the edges with egg yolk. Bake for 15 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Add 1 egg yolk to the center. Add butter around the edges. Bake for another 3 minutes. Take out and enjoy. As you saw guys, unfortunately my dough doesn't rise, so choose one the right yeast that's guaranteed to work. But that doesn't stop me from enjoying the flavor. Adjaruli Khachapuri is more than just a recipe. Crispy bread, melted cheese, and a warm comfort in every piece. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. New videos come out twice a week, so make sure to turn on your notification so you don't miss a new recipe. Thank you for being here and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.